How can we further develop challenge within the primary foundation curriculum? How do we stretch more able learners in all subjects? At NACE, we're often asked these questions, particularly with the current priority on curriculum. To answer them, we're delighted to announce a half-day online conference on the 23rd of November specifically aimed at further developing challenge within the foundation curriculum. I'm Dr. Keith Watson, NACE CPD lead, and I'm excited to be hosting and facilitating this inspiring event. Dive deeply with us on this practical CPD session that brings the curriculum alive and encourages your children to think hard in their lessons. In the session, we'll look at the importance of challenge across the curriculum with reference to what our NACE research tells us. What are the key ingredients for a challenging primary curriculum? The morning will balance this curriculum principles with subject-specific guidance from experts. As well as sessions on the curriculum as a whole, attendees can choose 75-minute workshops for either science, geography, or history. We have experts in the field, such as Ed Walsh, Science Advisor and longtime associate of NACE, who will explore the philosophy behind a challenging science curriculum and what does this look like in practical terms. Daisy Morley, history teacher and blog writer for NACE, will consider challenge within the primary history curriculum with reference to recent Ofsted report and share practical ideas that you can use in your classroom. Or if geography is your interest, local authority advisor Fiona Large will look closely at challenge within the primary geography curriculum, again with reference to the Ofsted report and how does this translate into practical tasks in the classroom. The CPD morning is suitable for senior leaders, curriculum leaders, subject leaders and primary teachers generally. We're offering reduced rates for a second or third attendee if you want to cover all of the subjects. So come along and think about how to stretch your children. Look at the NACE website to book your places and seek to become a challenge champion for your subject and the curriculum as a whole. We look forward to seeing you there.